Make a great choice today with 2011 Avalanche. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, alloy wheels, running boards, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats, Bluetooth, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats, cruise control, child safety locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.